Now we are going to take a look at functions. Now functions are very useful for encapsulating a bit of code and calling it whenever you want to run it instead of rewriting it every time you need to use that bit of code. So so that's the idea behind functions, and in bash scripts they are created like so. You name a function and open the parentheses. Once you've opened these brackets, you create your function within curly braces, and that's the end of it. Okay? When you want to use it, you just call it. Right? So this is a function created, and this is me calling the function at a later part of the script where it is needed. So let's look at this function a little closely. Raising numbers, brackets, open the curly braces, and I now start to define my function. My first input parameter, second parameter uh, are x raised to power y and stored in a variable called powered. Then just echo powered. Okay? So if this number is raising numbers 4 and 3, I should get something like 64 as the answer. And so let's just run it to see. Yep, 64. So if I were to change it to another number, 2 and 6. All right, and I run it again, I get 64 again. All right, so that's how it works. That is how functions work. Now, one interesting thing about functions in Bash, which separates it from functions in other languages, is that inside the parentheses there is nothing. There I don't think I don't think you ever put anything inside these parentheses in Bash scripting, unlike in maybe Python where you can declare some parameters inside there. Okay. All right, so we'll take one or two questions regarding functions and their structure, and then we move on.